Exploring winter's artwork, a journey through seasonal beauty. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the beauty of nature with the elegance of language: winter's artwork. This phrase conjures images of the unique wonders that winter brings to our world. Whether you're learning English or simply love exploring its rich expressions, this video will help you understand and appreciate the poetic beauty of winter through the lens of language. Let's embark on this chilly yet charming adventure together. Winter's artwork refers to the natural beauty and scenic landscapes that winter creates. Imagine the first snowfall covering the earth like a soft, white blanket, or icicles delicately hanging from rooftops, sparkling in the sunlight. These scenes are nature's own paintings, sculptures made of ice and snow. In English, calling something artwork highlights its beauty and the skill or creativity behind its creation. Thus, winter's artwork emphasizes the season's role in crafting these beautiful, natural masterpieces. Winter is not just a season. It's a symbol of tranquility, reflection, and sometimes harshness. In literature and art, winter often represents a time for introspection, the quiet beauty of nature at rest, and the cycle of life and renewal. When we refer to winter's artwork, we're also touching on these deeper meanings. It's about seeing beyond the cold to appreciate the lessons and beauty that winter can teach us about patience, resilience, and the promise of spring's renewal. Many poets and artists have been inspired by winter's beauty. For example, Robert Frost's poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, captures the silent, serene beauty of a snowy landscape, which can be considered a piece of winter's artwork. Paintings like those by Peter Bruegel the Elder, who captured the life and landscapes of winter in the 16th century, also showcase how winter has been a source of inspiration across time and cultures. Using the phrase, winter's artwork, in English conversation or writing adds a layer of poetic beauty and depth. You can use it to describe a particularly beautiful winter scene, in creative writing to evoke imagery and emotion, or in any discussion where you want to highlight the natural beauty and artistic quality of winter's impact on the landscape. It's a great way to enhance your language with vivid descriptions and emotional resonance. Winter's artwork is more than just a phrase. It's an invitation to explore and appreciate the beauty that winter brings to our world. From the intricate designs of frost on a window to the serene silence of a snow-covered field, winter crafts its own masterpieces, reminding us of nature's creativity and the cycle of the seasons. We hope this video has warmed your heart and enriched your understanding of this beautiful expression. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy the beauty of English and the natural world around us. Until next time, take care.